Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to fix device is not compatible error in a BlueStack 5 by the simplest way. I give the multiple solution of this simple problem and I hope one of these solution is work for you. So let's go and fix this problem. First method is very simple. Just go to the menu at here. Just click at here menu. Here we find settings. Just go to the settings. Okay. In settings, here we find performance. Just go to the performance. Here we find CPU allocation. Just click at here and just go to the high 4 cores. Just go to the 4 core, save changes. Okay. And restart now. Just restart now our BlueStacks. Okay. After restart, once again, just go to the menu. Just go to the settings. In settings, just go to the graphics and change graphics engine mode from compatibility to performance. Just go to the performance. Just go to the save changes and restart now. This is our first method. Okay. Now we are going to our second method also. Our second method is also very simple. Just go to the here system apps. Here we find system apps. Just go to the system apps. Just click on the settings. In settings, just find apps. Here we find apps. Just click on the apps. In apps, just find Google Play Store. Just find Google Play Store. Here we find Google Play Store. Just click at here. Okay. Now here we find storage. Here is the storage. Just click on the storage. Here we find two buttons, clear data and clear cache. Just click on clear data. Okay. We want to clear it. Now our cache is also clear. Now just go to the here back and just restart your BlueStack. Just close it your BlueStack and restart your BlueStack. And our last option is very simple. Just go to the start. Just go to the control panel and just go to the programs and features and just find BlueStack 5 and BlueStack X or 10 and remove it from here, uninstall it from here. And then after uninstall, just go to the any web browser and here just type BlueStacks, enter and click on the enter button on your keyboard. The first link is from the BlueStacks. Just open that link. Okay. Here we find our BlueStacks. If you want to download it from here, then download it from here. If you want to download from the all version, then just go to the here. And if your machine is 32-bit, then just download 32-bit. If 64-bit, then 64-bit. How to check your machine is 64-bit or 32-bit? It is very easy. Just go to the here start and just type system environment information, system information. Sorry. Just go to the system information. In system information, if you find at here 64-bit, here we find system type is 64-bit. So my machine is 64-bit. If you find 86 or anything other, then your machine is 32-bit. So this machine is 64-bit. I just want to 64-bit. So I just go to the 64-bit. If your machine is 32-bit, then just go to the 32-bit, download it and reinstall it and your problem must be solved. So guys, this is the simplest way to fix device is not compatible error in BlueStack 5 by the simplest way. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you guys.